Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a new Shop Miss Hay haul. So I picked up a few things from Shop Miss Hay. Shop Miss A. I didn't spend as much money this time, but I did pick up a few items. So first off, let's just do the big things in here. And I picked up two of these, and one's gray and one's pink. And these are the microfiber hair towels, and I normally pick up these kind of things at the dollar store, but they weren't much cheaper. They're not much cheaper at the dollar store, I should say. These were actually pretty decent priced. So they are 85% polyester, 15% nylon, and they say on the package that they're premium quality microfiber. They actually feel like they're microfiber. Actually, this is really nice. Okay, okay, so these are a lot better quality than the ones I have from the dollar store. So there is what it looks like here. There's an elastic here, which goes all the way around. There is an elastic in here, and I guess you put it on your head, wrap it, and then you take this elastic here, and when it's on your head, you just stick it to whatever one that you need, and then you have your head. So that's pretty awesome. These feel really good quality. I have a swimming pool in my complex, and a lot of times I leave with wet hair, and I have been using a dollar store one with one of these on my head as I walk to my house. So yep, so I'm excited to try those. So I got two of those, and then I picked up, well, some more stuff. I'm just gonna run through this. So I picked up some jewelry. There is 9 sets of earrings in here, and yeah, that happened. So I picked these up because I like the little pearls. What the fudge, McColes? All right, well, that's just gonna stay on the floor for now. Hopefully they don't fall out of my ears like they just fell out of this thing. So I picked them up because I like the little pearl ones. So then I picked up these here, and these are Glitter Joys, and they said made with love, and then they are face glitter rhinestone things. I picked them up because of some mermaiding related content that I want to be doing, and I wanted to test them out to see how well they'll stay on your face when you're swimming. It says that you can just stick them right on your face, but I probably will apply them with something else. So those were really inexpensive. I think they were like $1 or something. So I got 2 of those. I picked this up here, and this is the AOA pump, and this is the spray one. So I've been trying to get these for a little bit. Oh no, it's not the pump. It's the one that you go like this and then the little thingy has. I've been trying to get some of these containers for a little bit. These are the reusable containers for their face creams and stuff. So I picked up that one. Then I picked this up here, and this is a silicone heart makeup brush cleaning mat, and it has suction cups on the back. And a lot of this stuff is like the Paw stuff, so it goes to charity. And so it's got suction cups on the back, and then you stick it to your sink, and then you clean your makeup brushes with it. I will probably do a review on it. I have a bunch of different ones like that, and I've been having a hard time keeping my makeup brushes clean because I've been using some bright colors lately, but that's besides the point. So then I picked this up here too. This is the green tea and vitamin E cleansing balm, and this is one of those, well, cleansing balms. I have used this. So this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like coconut oil. It's got a nice smell. It smells kind of like vitamin E and tea or green tea. What you do is you scoop some out, you put it on your face when you're wearing makeup, you rub it, and then you actually put a little bit of water on, you continue to rub, and then you wash it off, and it takes off makeup very, very well. It's kind of like the Clinique one that everyone used to be obsessed with a while ago. So yeah. Then I have this here, and this is another one of those little refillable containers. This is just a jar. I am putting eye cream in this one, so I picked that up. And then I picked this up. Yes, it looks daunting, and it looks really interesting. I'm gonna call this a foot grater. It's like a cheese grater for your feet. Yes. I have some, I stand for work a lot, so I wanted to give this a test out. The bottoms of my feet kind of get icky due to, you know, standing all day. So I wanted to give myself a little bit of a pedicure, so there was that. Then I picked this up here, and this is your it's a toothpaste holder. You put it in and you kind of so you put your toothpaste here and then you roll it. And then it kind of rolls underneath, and then when it's empty, you take it out. So yeah, and this is from one of like their like home goods brand. A few more items in here. I picked up some hair clips. These are like bobby pins, but they have little pearls on them and some little designs, so I picked those up. I've been wearing quite a few little bobby pins and things like hair decorations lately, so I thought those would be super cute. Again, super cheap. So then I picked up a few more of these. These are the 84 package one. These are the Zit packages. These are the ones that have tea tree oil in it and the CICA in it to absorb your zit and clean them up and get rid of them. So these are literally my go-to, so I love them. Then I have this here, and this is just an eye patches, under eye patches. I picked these up, they were super cheap. I think they're like 99 cents, but they've got retinol in them and vitamin C. So yep, I wanted to try them out. I mean, they're really cheap, and I've seen a few other YouTubers use them quite often. And then I picked this up. This is a pen. It's one of those ones where you can change the colors, and I'm not gonna lie, the reason why I picked it up because it looks like it's a Tokidoki unicorn on it. I have some makeup brushes from Tokidoki. That's the actual Tokidoki brand, and I'm obsessed with Tokidoki, but they are no longer a brand, so I was obsessed. And the minute I saw this cute little unicorn that looks just like the original Tokidokis, I jumped on it. So I figured that would be fun. Yeah, that was everything this month. I didn't do a whole lot of shopping. I've been still looking on them. Yep. So yeah, I just haven't been shopping as much as I normally do. Anyway, so that was everything for this August's Shop Miss A haul. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!